We are in a very, very tenuous, dangerous situation. And what I think everyone should be able to agree on is that we cannot let our hospitals get to the point where healthcare is dramatically threatened.
That's Ohio Governor Mike DeWine earlier today with the first details of the state's vaccination plans. This is the state reporting more than 10,000 new cases. That's the fourth most so far. Well, hello again. I'm Stan Boney. Governor DeWine today announcing that 660,000 doses of the vaccines from both Pfizer and Moderna are headed to Ohio and should be here before the end of the year. Initially, they will go to medical professionals, those in long-term care facilities, and to first responders. Now, these are the death numbers from COVID-19 over the last 7 days across our area. Trumbull County with 23. Putting that in perspective, Trumbull County had 18 total deaths for the entire month of November. We're only 4 days into December. 6 people have died over the past 7 days in Columbiana County, and 4 people lost their lives over the past week in Mahoning County. First News reporter Desiree Gosselin listened today to what the governor had to say about the vaccination program. She is live in the newsroom tonight.
Stan, Governor Mike DeWine says this is a positive thing to be talking about because a vaccine is on its way, but before it can get here, regulators have to approve it. Ohio State medical professionals talked about that process today.
More than 500,000 COVID-19 vaccines are supposed to arrive in Ohio before the end of the year.
Half of all Ohioans have significant skepticism about it, but I think that for most people will go away as we move, as they see people who are getting, particularly frontline healthcare workers, who are getting the vaccination.
Medical professionals say that getting as many people vaccinated as possible will be the quickest way to get back to normal.
Having an effective vaccine and vaccination program will be the first major step in getting us back to a pre-COVID way of life.
Data from Pfizer and Moderna, the two companies awaiting federal approval, shows the two vaccines are 95% effective.
Both trials prioritize safety and the highest scientific testing methods. Together, both studies have enrolled about 75,000 people from diverse populations.
On December 10th, Pfizer will have their study reviewed by the FDA and a panel of third-party scientists.
At the CDC meeting, major medical societies will have representation at the table for review and discussion of the data. After a transparent FDA approval and CDC recommendation, a vaccine will become available for Americans to receive.
Those hearings are open to the public, and if the drugs get approved on time, they are scheduled to arrive in Ohio on December 15th. Live in the newsroom, Desiree Gosselin, WKBN 27 First News.